USP ke East Khasi Hills District, Ubavi Vex Im, Ulong Bakat Kum Gajing Toket Kipulit, Donald Sultan, Ula Penyap, Yalaga Jongka Kurum, Dagabatiet da Umau. Kakong Priya, Kong Stai, Arpu Saus Nem Kerta, Klasha Penyap, Hapo ke Ying Wa Jongka Nongra, Nong Lumbre, Balakan Nova, La Ledu Lok Jongkahi. Kipulit Kilakem New Donald Sultan, Laipus Nem Kerta, Ubadena Milliam, Mau Penti, Ubalasha Kanoban Penyap Dusmon, Yakakong Priya, Kabadena Kushnong Umnyo Tamar. USP Uloong ba, ya umau bala suba, bala pendon kam, banle ika kamrunar, layo atam kipulit na jan makisahi. Lakan no ba ulok ulaksi yaka, bat dia dumau, hado ba kandayap, bat hadien ulas sop daga kombor yaka, bat bu hapo ka ying, bat uphet yalade. Yaka med jongka lalap daki tra ying, hakalai putar ku jemang, ki bala letpet yaka ying ga ba kisa. Bat kumba yo todong beseng, kila lapen ban yaka med yap, bat kila pentip wood shaki pulit. Katkum gotelong, udonel ulakambau lale ketika kam namarba, usubas neu yaka, uneu beriumenta udon hakakti jongka an.
No case accused is arrested. In fact, he is surrendered on the same day himself after police gave chase. The body was actually ascertained it was found out after 3 days, and we had visited the place of occurrence. The forensic team also had come there. We had taken the dog spot next day. The weapon which was used, or the item which was used to murder the woman also, which was a stone, which was thrown close by. The canine had sniffed it and sniffed apparel belonging to the victim and actually traced the stone. So we had recovered that stone. He is in judicial custody. We're treating that as a special court case, and we'll be charging that case very soon.
So what was the motive of the murder, sir?
The motive, there was an altercation between husband and wife. Husband was suspecting spouse of an affair and all that, and got into an argument, and that's how he hit her.
So when was this murder took place? In the night or in the
Yes,
daytime?
at night.
At night.